Looking for a reliable and affordable truck that can handle all your tough tasks? Look no further than our well-maintained 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HDLT Alaskan Special Edition, regular cab long box 4x4. This rugged beauty not only boasts a stylish design, but it also comes with factory warranty and our 12-month huggable guarantee for added peace of mind. With its convenience and dark essentials package, you'll have all the features you need for a comfortable and convenient drive, including navigation, heated seats, remote start, rear camera, tow package, and alloys. And with Canada's huggable car dealer offering full financing options with zero down payment and trade-in options, owning this amazing truck has never been easier. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a top-quality used vehicle that is ready to take on any challenge. To enhance safeguarding, we've included the CatStrap catalytic converter theft deterrent at no additional charge on this vehicle. CatStrap has a remarkable 99.75% success rate in preventing converter theft, based on real-world results from over 50,000 vehicles over 10 years.
We'll give you a hug because we love ya. You're a customer